Alright guys, Bondo here. Good morning. We gotta rip out these pavers right here. And not mess up this beautiful Japanese maple. That's gonna be the fun part. But these pavers are pretty ugly. They got like, I don't know what happened here. What do you think happened here, boys? A little sliver piece they put in there.
Just to make that radius a little
Yeah,
nicer.
yeah, right. That's an ugly paver job, but I guess it lasted for years. It's got like a 10-inch step here, so we're gonna make that step better. We're gonna come up to about an 8-inch step. We are gonna move the whole thing over that way, so they want to kind of avoid these roots of this tree. So we're gonna move it over here when we get out here. It's gonna be 4 feet wide, guys. We're gonna do stamped concrete, and we're gonna load up all this crap into the dump trailer. That's the first thing we're gonna do. And just a little job today. We try to do these little jobs. There's not much money in them, honestly. But what are you gonna do? You try to help your customers out. I might have to start rethinking doing these with the crew I got now. It's tough. But we're gonna do it because I promised this customer I would do it. So we'll get her done. Stay with us. Alright guys, so what we did was we dug a bucket with the wide bucket all the way along the side of that area. Was really nicely gravelled in. So, but they wanted to move the sidewalk over, which actually caused a lot of extra work, but it is what it is. So we dug all the clay dirt out, and there's enough gravel here where we shifted it over. But we did end up with a lot of crap. We got a huge full dump trailer of sod and rocks and all that just from digging down the side of that. But now we're able to just pull that material over. The boys been doing it by hand, but I'm gonna reach in there with the Yanmar and finish that up. And then we can tamp it and put our form in. We'll probably need a little bit more material, gravel material. We'll see though. See what the pipe looks like. All right, guys, everything's filled in. Gonna give her a tamp now. Chris and Biscuit are taking that load of topsoil crap and pavers and dumping it off at the landfill. And we're just gonna tamp this up and put a form board in and kind of stake it up high. And they're gonna, on the way back, they're gonna grab some gravel. This same stuff. Like a 1-inch minus gravel, and we'll have our form board. We're using these old deck boards. They bend pretty nice, so we'll use them for our forms. Radius it right around, 4 feet wide. We'll be in here with after we move it over, and that's what we're gonna do. Then we'll fill it up with gravel, and we'll tamp it again. Do it in lifts like we always do. And we should be pouring concrete today, guys. That's the game plan. We gotta hustle on these little jobs. Like I said before, there's really no money in them. You just gotta do them. If you wanna keep a good customer base, you gotta take care of people, even on these little jobs. And then we use them as fill-in jobs. We only got a couple guys here today. We got the other guys doing other things today. Using a little tamper today. Thumper's broken. We blew a belt on Thumper, so I ordered a new belt. But this will be fine with that small tamper. We'll do it in little lifts, 4 or 5 inches at a time. Stay tuned. Ready cutting all the screws off, guys. We don't want to bleeding today, but you guys timed that perfect. We just finished. He's He's just cutting the screws off. Nice, nice. Where's mine? Where's my fajita grill? Doesn't that look nice? I like it. I think it's gonna be great. Put some gravel on the outside and inside, you know? Fill it right in. Comes our mud, guys. Circle T, baby. Right here. Scott! Right here, dude. He's just driving right on by. Scotty Bond in the house. He's looking the other way. I got his attention really quick though, didn't I? Scotty Bond in the house. What's up, Scotty? You're just looking the wrong way.
It said it was on the right.
Oh, did they?
Yeah, it said it was up on your right. It was looking
Alright guys, we got some gray integral color here in this mix today, so let's see what the slump looks like. Looking for a nice 5 or so. What? 6? 3 yards? It sounds really stiff. Hold on, let's see what it looks like. He's on a hill. Hold up, Scotty. Lift the flaps. Shoot it. Yeah, I want to just see it. I don't want to. Lift it higher. I can't see. Oh yeah, she's tight, Scotty. What about 5 gallons in it? That's tight, bub. 5 gallons. Seems just a little tight, guys. They put 5 gallons in it. It's only 3 yards, so see how that goes. See what she looks like now, huh? It's gotta be better than that. Gotta be better. Yeah, it doesn't sound great.
3.5 now.
Looks a lot better than it did. Another 2 gallons in it? Throw 2 more in it, Scotty. 2 more gallons. It's not even coming out the chute.
You might want more than that. That's just so tight.
Put 3 in her. Scotty, 3. She's tight.
Pour the extra step up here so it didn't splatter.
There you go. That's us gross. I drag it right down flat. Then took the wire on top of it. We're gonna have about 2 or 3 of them. Holds the wire up nice. That's about all it is good for. 5.5 inches thick. Perfect wire stuff. Oh, that's so gross. Well, we're coming down the stairs. It's very deceiving. We put it wet.
Yes, it would.
Yeah, do it south. Street is closed. Down the hill. Yep. Get it.
flower down a little go. What if you pick that clip up?
All right, guys, Chris is gonna put some cuts in here. How's the flower? Right in your way? They can't get the pad all wet, bud. That's what we're gonna do. Then we're gonna close them right up.
It's literally
The liner.
right where every bunch of flowers.
What the hell? Look at Chris. You gotta get right into the flowers. You get right into your job, don't you?
Yep. Every
Gee.
day.
That's talent right there, guys. That's talent. That's talent. We got her in. The poured her pretty tight. Poured her pretty tight. Alright, guys. We're getting ready to stamp. Where's our fancy shoes?
Right on the shelf.
We're gonna want them shoes.
Jeez. Not over here. Maybe. Be able to cruise with 4 stamps. Dude, easy on the cookies. Dude, those things are gonna be even better once that sign's in.
Did you try one?
Yeah, they're good. They're soft. They're like chewy Chips Ahoy.
Oh yeah, they're gonna be really good.
They're really good.
They'll be fresh out the oven.
Okay guys, just picking up, but that's what she looks like. Oh, pretty nice. We got groove lines down through there. Pretty groovy. It'll look better when it's all antiqued. Much better than them pavers. Way better than the pavers. Alright guys, we're just over here cleaning up a little bit. This is what it looks like right now. I do have to do, we're gonna antique it here today. So Biscuit's coming back to antique it. We're gonna have to do a little cold patch along the driveway. The driveway is a little weak on the edge. I think it come out pretty nice. We're gonna take the saw and deepen these grooves a little bit deeper with the saw just to make sure that it cracks where we want it. And that'll be good to go. Antique it, seal it, and it should be sweet. All right guys, just back here checking out the sidewalk. She looks nice. Definitely looks nice. I like the contrast. We did cut into them joints a little bit so she won't crack on us. I just wanted to give you a final peek at it. Customer's super happy. I got paid, so that's always good. Smash the like button, guys, if you would. Leave me a mean or nice comment. I'll take either one. And subscribe if you're not a subscriber. And I'll catch you on the next one.